For us at Wholesome, our love language is baking, and we want to bake the best for our loved ones. There's a reason why the ingredients are the first part of the recipe. We have to get them right from the start because they matter. And when you choose Wholesome, not only are you choosing some of the best ingredients, you're also creating a connection that goes way beyond the mixing bowl. You become part of a family of farmers and bakers, brought together by our shared belief that everyone deserves all the best life has to offer. And the delicious foods you make to share with your loved ones. And how farmers benefit from fair trade certification so they can invest in the future for their loved ones and their community. And in the organic and sustainable farming practices we use to support our planet for many years to come. All the best for all. That's Wholesome.